Wait, watch this. This is where the reversal actually starts. One single candle that most traders completely ignore. And it happens again and again. The problem is you've been taught to look at the wrong things. Patterns, confirmations, indicators, none of that shows you this. In this video, I'll show you the exact one candle setup that I use on the 5-minute time frame in order to snipe reversals consistently. And once you see it, you won't miss it again. Let me show you exactly what you need to look for. And in order to prove to you that this strategy works, I'm gonna show you each and every one of the past 6 trading days. And one small spoiler, every single one of those days is a winning day. So stay until the end of this video in order to find out exactly how this strategy works. So real quick, for this strategy you will need to be on the 5-minute time frame, and it takes place every single day at the very same time at 9:30 a.m. EST. Now this strategy is a strategy that I have developed and you haven't seen anywhere else. I guarantee that to you. As a matter of fact, if you have seen it anywhere else, tell me in the comments section, but you have not. You will be identifying the highest and the lowest point of this 9:30 5-minute candlestick. It doesn't matter if the candlestick is a bearish or a bullish candlestick, and it doesn't matter if it has wicks or it doesn't. You will be highlighting the highest and the lowest points of this 9:30 a.m. EST 5-minute candlestick. Now you will remain on the 5-minute time frame. Now what you're going to see is a clear break. A clear break means a break with a body, closing with a body of a 5-minute candlestick either above this 5-minute candlestick or below this 5-minute candlestick. Let's take the scenario that it breaks above the 5-minute candlestick. You don't care about bias at all. If it wicks above, you don't do anything. If it wicks below, you don't do anything. But if we break with the body above, then you know that you will be taking a trade towards the opposite direction. But pay attention, don't leave the video. It's not that simple. It's not like you break with a body and you enter towards the opposite direction. I will show you 6 examples, and each and every one of those examples is a winning trade, and I'm pretty sure if you keep back testing it for a huge sample, you will see fantastic results. Now what you want to see? After you have seen a break with a body above, you know already that you want to be shorting. After you have seen a break with a body of a candlestick below the low, you know that you want to be longing, but not instantly. There are certain things that you need to see, and there is a certain trick regarding your stop loss that gives this enormous winning percentage with a 3-to-1 reward to risk. So what I will do right now, I will take you to the charts and I will show you the exact rules of the strategy, while I will be showing you those 6 examples on 6 consecutive days, so that you will not be able to say anything that I cherry-picked any examples. Those things, before I show you the rules, I am applying on a daily basis, plus my premium ChrisFX block strategy in the Discord. And I'm also teaching my premium strategy in the mentoring, where you will find the success that you had always been looking for. Links down in the description. Let's go ahead and begin with the first example and the rules of this strategy. So here I am at 9:15 a.m. EST, and I am on the 5-minute time frame as I told you, and I will move towards the 9:30 a.m. EST 5-minute candlestick. So this is the 9:30 candlestick, as you can see down there. And as I said, what you will be doing, you will be highlighting the highest and the lowest points of this beautiful candlestick right here. I have highlighted the highest and the lowest points. Now, let's wait for a clear 5-minute body to break either above or below our areas. Okay, let's see. Nothing, we see wicks only. Let's proceed. Nothing yet, nothing yet. Here we go. Let's take the rules one by one. Since we broke above, as I showed you at the beginning, what we want to look out for is short trades. We want to be shorting. Now, this doesn't mean that you will be entering like that instantly. And it doesn't mean that you will understand the strategy with the first example, because there are some details to this strategy that if you don't wait until the final example, you will not know how to proceed. So you will be in a way forced to rewatch the video. Do it for yourselves. This free video is absolute treasure, guys. Absolute treasure. So we broke above. I will go ahead and I will proceed. I will show you the entry and I will tell you why. Very nice. Our entry is already here. We are having a bearish pin bar. Okay, we have a bearish pin bar. This pin bar is your exact signal in order to enter your short trade. Now, this is not the only thing, because I will show you some details. If there is no pin bar, Chris, what am I doing? I will show you all of those things and how to win each and every single time. So one of the signals in order to take your trade is a pin bar of the opposite direction. So we broke above the range, so we want to short. So we have a bearish pin bar. This is one of the ways that you will be entering instantly a 5-minute candlestick pin bar right here with a stop loss 50 ticks above this zone. If you are trading CFDs, go ahead and see how much this is with pips. Now we have 149, I will do it 199, or we can say 200 in this occasion. Let's do 199, and I will be targeting how much? A 3-to-1 reward to risk. Here we are targeting a 3-to-1 reward to risk. I will place my stop loss exactly right there and my take profit right there at a 3-to-1 reward to risk. And guess what I'm gonna be doing? I'm gonna just let this trade play out and I'm not gonna touch it at all. You are not moving stop losses at break even or any of that stuff. And here we go, we have a rule 1 of entry, and I'm gonna show you all those 6 examples. They entail every single rule that I need to talk about. It is amazing that we have all of the rules on 6 consecutive trading days. So let's go ahead and move on to the next example, which is the exact next day. I'm not gonna cherry pick, I'm gonna show you the past 6 days. So here we are, next day, it is Friday, the 6th of March, 2026. I am on the 5-minute time frame, of course, and here we are at 9:15, so we need to proceed until 9:30 arrives, and here we are, 9:30 has arrived. You don't care about bias. All you care about is to let the 9:30 5-minute candlestick to close, EST time always. You highlight the highest and the lowest points of this candlestick, and you will be waiting to see if the low or the high are being broken first. Now, nothing, be patient, nothing yet. 20 minutes go by, 25 minutes go by, and we have a break of the high. Since we broke from the upside, we will go ahead and look for sell trades, short trades. Now, another rule is that when you see this ridiculous thing right here, you are never entering on such huge engulfing candlesticks. You forget about it, you wanna see the pin bar that I talked about, and bear with me because we might show something a little bit different in the next examples. It's not finished, the strategy is not finished. So I wanna see my bearish pin bar. That's very simple. And when you might tell me this is a bearish pin bar, Chris. No, I mean one that has a larger wick on the upside, guys. This is exactly what I mean. I don't mean with a large wick towards from the downside, because in this occasion, what we gonna do, we want to short. So you want to see your pin bar with a larger wick above. This is not enough for me. I wanna see something like this candlestick right here, okay? And when we see that, we are gonna be entering the trade. Here we go. There you go. I will enter the trade here, and I will place a stop loss 50 ticks above the high, so 284 I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna target a 3-to-1 reward to risk. You think I'm just showing you those trades right here. I'm taking these trades every single day, and I'm also having the ChrisFX blocks strategy, which is unmatched. I did call this trade that you see on the screen right now during the live session, and of course we caught this whole move from this precise point as you see it. Let's go ahead and take the trade, and you will not move any stop losses. You will just let the trade play out, a full 3-to-1 reward to risk, and I think this is the optimal point to enter. And there you go, you have another win. So you saw how those clear pin bars made you win both of those trades. Okay, let's move on to the next day. And we have moved to Monday, the 9th of March 2026, and we wanna see the 9:30 candlestick closing. Here we are. The 9:30 candlestick has now officially closed, 5-minute candlestick, EST time. We wanna see if we close with the body above or below this range first, and we close below. So what are we looking at? We are looking to buy now. Very good. What do we wanna see now? A bullish pin bar with a larger wick from the downside. So this is a very nice one, but it is a bearish candlestick. I wanna see a 5-minute candlestick which is bullish, okay, with a large wick from the downside. This is a fantastic candlestick to enter, but what did I say in my rules beforehand? When there is a larger wick above, we want to buy in this occasion, so we want the larger wick below. Simple as that, you are not doing anything. Let's see, this is quite huge in order to enter there. You could theoretically, but I will not be entering there. Let's see, this is quite good. Here, what is that? This is fantastic. Huge wick from the downside. It is a little bit of a very high entry, but you will be entering, and the stop loss will go 50 ticks below the low of this candlestick, the entry candlestick. So let's do it 50 ticks below, 459, 460, let's do it right there. And let's target a 3-to-1 reward to risk. Very good. A 3-to-1 reward to risk has been targeted right there. We will extend it, we will take the trade. So you see, I'm not cherry picking anything. The rules are the exact same rules. And of course, bear with me, because we will see when you shouldn't be doing anything. Those examples right here entail everything, thankfully. So let's proceed, and we are in the trade. Very good. And we let the trade play out, guys. You are not touching the stop loss or anything, and off we go. We do win the trade, of course, well before the day ends. Another win in the row. Let's go ahead and show the next day. Bear with me. So here we are, the next day, Tuesday 10th of March at 9:30 exactly. We do highlight the high and the low of this 5-minute candlestick, okay, and we are looking to see if the low or the high is gonna be broken first. We proceed, and we do break the low first, so we are looking for buys, and this is the perfect candlestick to look for buys. Very good. Let's take the trade here with a stop loss 50 ticks below this one. So from 194, we are gonna do it 244, and we will be targeting a 3-to-1 reward to risk as per usual. Okay, 3-to-1 RR. There we go. We do take the trade, we do place a stop loss, and we do place a take profit as well. And what do? We let the trade play out. And here we go, we have the first loss actually, guys. We do have the first loss, which is absolutely fine. I will highlight that as a loss right here. Okay, as our first loss. And that's it. Let's see if we have another signal. No, we don't have anything. Maybe, I'm saying you can re-enter in this occasion. Let's take a re-entry. I would re-enter personally, so let's do it to 90 at the 50 ticks. And let's go for a 3-to-1 reward to risk. I would take this trade personally again, so it is fine to retake it as well. For the example, if we lose twice, we do lose twice. And there we go, we are in the trade, all on the 5-minute time frame, and look at that, we are heading towards the take profit. Very good. So we have lost only one right here. Let's check out the next day. Here we are, next day, Wednesday, 9:30, March 2026. We do highlight the high and the low. We don't care if the candlestick has any wicks. And we will move forward and see if the high or the low is broken first. Instantly, we break the high first, so we're looking to short, okay? This is not enough for me, okay? This is not enough of a break. This is another thing that if you break like that, guys, don't take the trade. More often than not, price is gonna continue. Another rule to remember, okay? Even though we are looking for shorts. Let's continue. Okay, this is a little bit better. Now here the wick from the top is bigger than the bottom wick, almost the same, a little bit bigger, larger. I will take the trade here and I will place a stop loss at 292.88 and I will go ahead and target a 3-to-1 reward to risk again. There you go. So let's create the limit order, or the market execution, excuse me. It's not a limit order, it is a market execution that we are entering with. Place the stop loss and the take profit and let the trade play out without touching it. Very important, do not touch the trade. Okay, do not touch the trade. And if you have done the mistake in this occasion, we are heading towards the take profit, by the way. So if you have done the mistake, I will call it, because you shouldn't be entering instantly. Let's move on. We hit the take profit right there. And I think it goes even lower. Let's see. Maybe the next day. Yeah, the next day, but we did hit the 3-to-1. If you did the mistake to enter here on this one, which would be a mistake, as I told you, because the rule is that if we break with a minor candlestick and retrace with a huge engulfing one, you don't do anything. You can re-enter. That's all that I want to say. Simple as that. Let's check out yet another example. Now, some days it's gonna be the perfect scenario. This day right here that I'm gonna show you right now is this day. And it is just Friday the 13th of March, because I wanna show you a perfect scenario. We are looking to see if we will break with a body above or below. We are breaking with the body above the range and we are looking for our pin bar. And there you have it. In this occasion, this is so beautiful that there is no question about it. Stop loss 50 ticks above, so at 254, and take profit at a 3-to-1 reward to risk, like that. Very nice. Let's create the limit order and let's take the trade together. Okay, perfect, textbook perfect scenario, this one right here. So we're taking the trade. You will not be moving your stop loss at break even or anything like that. You will just be letting price action play out, and off you go. You do have another win. The strategy is very simple. So now I'm gonna show you the exact next trading day, which is Monday, so you will see that this thing is working again and again and again. 9:30 a.m. EST. We move forward. We are waiting to see a body closing either above or below. We see a body closing above. We are not doing anything, of course, right here. Nothing. I'm waiting for my pin bar. There you go. We do have the pin bar. It is a bearish pin bar and it has a larger wick above. 50 ticks above the area. From 105 we are going to 155 ticks, and you are targeting a full 3-to-1 reward to risk without moving your stop loss and without closing partials at all. Okay, and let's check out the results after we will have taken this trade right here. You will see how many of the recent days I did, almost not quite stopped out there, and straight to the target, guys, straight like a bullet to the target. Very nice. If I zoom out now, I go to a higher time frame and zoom out, you will see something fantastic. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wins. I think maybe we missed one day here, whatever, and 1 loss, but 7 wins times 3 does 21, minus the 1 loss equals 20R. Guys, we have made 20 units. 20 units have been returned within those past days, just by using this simple strategy. Those strategies that I'm teaching here, I'm also applying on a daily basis in my Discord. But most importantly, I am showing you and I'm teaching you the best strategy on the internet, which is the ChrisFX block strategy in combination with a volume profile. So if you want to learn that once and for all, join the Discord or do the one-on-one mentoring, which is extremely cheap. You learn once and for all and you don't need anything else. But if you cannot afford it, the Discord will do it. And do not forget to click on the link tree that I have down, that I have the best futures prop firms and the highest discounts with code ChrisFX. Every single time that you use the code ChrisFX on any of those prop firms, you are getting the highest discount in the market. So go ahead and use it every single time that you purchase your prop firms. Do not forget about that. You don't want to be paying out the full price. Type down in the comment section if you liked this strategy, like, subscribe, share the video with every single one of the people that you know, every single one of them, and tell me please what video you want to see as our next video. I will see you with our next video. Bye bye.